I'm totally aware that it's not really good to keep uploading different videos analyzing the gold. But again guys, what can we do? The gold is rising and we are trying our best to catch the good trade. So today morning, I actually have posted a video to buy the gold from 4017. And as you can see, when I made the video, the gold actually was somewhere right here. And it was like 250 pips far away from the entry. However, it actually rose for another 600 pips as we can see. So now we cannot really predict the gold to continue the fall to 4017 anymore. So what we can do next with the gold? Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So again, my friends, we are doing the best we can to catch a good trade on the gold. We are just tracking it and keep chasing it, but hopefully we will catch the next one. So now what we can do? Now, since the gold actually has made here a strong bullish breakout from the resistance at 4025, and today rose for over 1000 pips already, now most likely the gold, my friends, will continue the rise, but sooner than that. So buying from 4017 is, in my opinion, no more valid. So where exactly is going to be the best level? Well, in my opinion, the best level is going to be just simply and straightforward to the point right here exactly, at the previous level of a resistance right here. Why? Because here we have a very strong bullish breakout candle, and as you can see, this is the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. So there is high chances for the gold to respect indeed the same level of a previous resistance and respecting the previous support and then continue the rise. Well, of course, we need first of all confirmation that the gold will indeed rise instead of falling. So what's the confirmation are we talking about, Salah? First, let's go to daily chart. Well, let me just tell you guys, this is the price action that I have been waiting for. So right now we have here, of course, a strong key level of a resistance. And right now we have finally today the bullish breakout candle happened right here. Now, interestingly, this bullish breakout candle has a very tiny small tail at the bottom and a longer wick at the top. That's actually, guys, sign of a continuation. If you guys see a candle like this, usually most of the time it's actually a good sign of a continuation. We can see the similarity right here. This is the upside down, of course, the bearish one, the bearish continuation. So this candle here has actually made a strong bearish breakout from this level of a support. And as you can see, it has a shorter wick than, shorter wick than the tail. And as you can see, as a result, the gold kept falling. That's why, guys, I believe in this candle. And since actually we have it right here, there is a chance that the gold will continue the rise. So again, back now to the 4-hour time frame. We would like to have another kind of confirmation, Salah. Absolutely. What we can do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci from this high right here to this low. Now, as you can see, our entry is very close to Fibonacci 61.8. And as we all know, guys, if you have a downtrend like this one right here, we had, of course, here a downtrend. If you guys see the market breaks out from Fibonacci 61.8 after being on a downtrend, it's a sign that the market now has changed the direction and no longer on a downtrend, it's now actually on an upper trend. That's why I believe that we can actually buy somewhere right here near Fibonacci 61.8. Well, the right decision is going to be actually to place our entry right here exactly. To be precise, right exactly at Fibonacci 61.8, so we won't miss the trade. And in this case, our drawdown can actually be held till the market reach the lowest level of a real support, right here exactly where we have actually expected the gold to fall to initially, but that's going to be a lot of pips. That's going to be around 500 pips. But again, I doubt it's going to happen. But in this case, the good news, if we buy from this area, we can hold the trade till it reaches Fibonacci 119 at 4,200. Let's just make it exactly at 4,200. So that's going to be, my friends, our new TP at 4,200. So we will actually be aiming around 1,400 pips against 500 of a stop loss. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that will be all, my friends, for the gold. But again, guys, a final reminder, please, in the end of the video. Remember, gold is very subjective to the news. Any news that might happen can actually immediately cancel the signal or actually might cause it to fail. Again, we are just really, guys, doing our best and hoping for the best. So this signal, of course, just like any other signal in the world, especially, of course, from YouTube, there is always a chance that this signal might fail. For those reasons, please please make sure to handle a proper money management. I know 500 pips is a lot, but that is, guys, what the gold is giving us. I cannot give you a tight stop loss of like 100 or 200 pips only. It's not possible. That's gonna be like securing hitting a stop loss, because with this signal I'm actually expecting a drawdown, and there is a high chance for the gold to continue the fall till it reach Fibonacci 50, even a little bit more, just before hitting our stop loss, and then continue the rise. Yeah, I'm actually telling you, it is risky. This signal, guys, is really risky, and if you are actually not willing to risk your money, then you better just avoid it. In the end, all of these signals here are shared for educational purpose, and I'm just sharing it, sharing my ideas with you. You are completely free to take it or leave it. And in the end, of course, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are getting here on YouTube. Again, my friends, the channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.